Guys, today we're at Grand Park Mall in the parking lot to check out this car show. So let's go. I guess we'll go check this way out first. It's got a come under here. A truck over here. Some flames on it. It's pretty cool. Corvette. Nice red Corvette. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Nice yellow car, real clean looking. That is cool. And I guess, you know what, let's check out some of these. I like station wagons. I like station wagons, especially those with those rims. Holy man, those are huge tires. Huge tires. It's a Dodge Viper. It's a Dodge Viper. See a remote control car over there. It's like a Camaro. Just gonna check that out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Look at that remote control car. It's a good Charger or Challenger. This is cool. It is cool. That's nice. I like those rims. Check out this engine. It's pretty cool. It's cool. Got a Mustang over there. Camaro. And what is that? Is that a RX-7? Like a yellow RX-7 right there. I believe that's what it is. Those are nice. Those are nice, but the price is crazy for them nowadays. The price is crazy. Mustang here. Got a Mustang. Another Corvette. Old Chevy, or actually GMC. Right here we got the G-body. Cutlass. A clean Cutlass. A clean Cutlass. Oh, this is cool. I like the color. PT Cruiser. Check that out. That's cool. What is this? One of those Polaris slingshots, I think. I think that's what that is. Some kind of Subaru, I believe. And that's Porsche 924. I actually don't know what kind of Porsche this is. I don't even think they call them Porsches. Oh, 944. 944, that's what they are. It's a cool station wagon. Like these old station wagons. Big engines. One of those Demons or whatever they call them. Dodge Demon. The Charger, I believe. That's cool. That's actually pretty cool too. All the lights on it and stuff. Check out those carburetors. Check this out. It's nice. I like this color. I like that color. I don't know if I showed. Just gonna walk around here. I don't know if I showed these cars. That Mustang has some fat tires right there. Just wait till this car goes by. That Mustang looks fast. It got some, looks like drag radials. Nice blue car. Those bikes sound nice. Corvette. I like these years Corvettes. Might be a C6. I'm not too familiar with Corvettes. Two guys in their nice cars. I believe it's a Nova. I believe that's a Nova. Two Novas. Nice truck. So, actually some nice cars in the parking lot. I think that might be like an El Camino. We got a lowrider right here. Subaru WRX STI. Little turbocharger on those. And then for the show. Some motorcycles that just pulled up. Let's just get those. We're at Grand Park Shopping Center parking lot for, I don't even know how to say that. Fins? I don't know. I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like an MR2, but I don't think it is because it's not long enough. The back. So let's find out. Some kind of Dodge or something. Oh, it's a Fiero. I knew what that was. I knew that was Fiero. I knew that. That's the rest of the cars there. That's pretty much it for this meet. It is later in the day, so maybe a lot of the cars are gone now. Taking off now. I got some nice cars in the parking lot too. Like that one. That's pretty nice.